The topic is game theory. Do you know the game theory in the mathematics? This paper provides a structure, a lecture, a review, and an analysis of using the game theory of a model project management. Sincerely, we select and review the third two papers on the copies present a complex three-dimensional classifications of selected papers and the analysis the resultant created the network according to the industry-based classified the server and the industries-based classified into terms of construction literature can be classified into a term of construction industry IIT industry of or unspecified industry based on types of player the literature can be classified into papers that that used to government contractor games and contractor games are contractor subcontractor games and subcontractor games are involving in the other types of players based on the playing the video the game well by using the extensive from the cooperative games where we evaluate application of the game theory in the project management a structure of review and announcing the Mahindra Pradhan is the faculty of the Engineering University of the Chandy and Australian Mahindra abstracted the paper provides a structural literature review that and the announcing of the using game theory of the model project the management and sincere we 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 select the review the 32 two papers are copies present in a complex their dimensional classified of the selected paper and announcing the re-selected students are the according to the industries based the classifications their surveyed literature can be classified into the terms of construction industries ITC ICT construction or unexpected industry based on types of the player the literature can be classified into paper that they use in government contractor games the contractor and the contractor games are subcontractor and subcontractor based games are involving in other types of players based on the type of the games using the paper using the normal for the non cooperative games and normal from on the cooperative game. It is also about the studies of the academic and optical. Our review suggest be keywords. The decision making, the game theory, the project management. Introduction. It is a project of the being exercising undertaking a organization. It can be produce the survey or the result the project management is defined by the PMBOK. The PMBOK is known as a project management body of the knowledge. For example, there is a communicate is a contract between the contractor and subcontractor. It is law for the marketing the one the similar when the project has been completing the organizations are launched by marketing the person having a decision that making the starting the market project or resulting the product or survey when it is again the maximum tracker it is based on the competition in their survival reception. It is announcing in and the linear programming and the question theory or the recently game theory 16 to 11 has been 6 between and 11 has been again the promising the tool useful to decision making the project management and sincerely the compared to the tools mentioned above the game theory is particle useful to the sincere when where a number entered or the entered to giving the same outcome the facing of the competition and particularly in the sincere such as the discoverable above the game theory also offer a writers a mathematical frame sign the presenting the many production the example for the project management researches and its classified the extending works on hi- highlighting gaps in the literature and the opportunity for the research playoff matrix and suddenly this is the picture it is shows the game theory momentum of it suppose support and avoid That is the game theory. It has the summary and confident in traditional to a accept. The follow of comparison is the principle, the method of relating and paper and giving across in the such as the CIT education. These are the main of this game theory. It is present in announcing the New York of the papers and revealing and highlights their interpretive and the relative imprints. Relative imprints. It is the rest of a paper on the top, the neck or the field to refer the practical area of a research that we can review applicable the application of the game theory is projected magnetically. The concept of the project management is well as such as the giving a brief on the projects and releasing, such as the optimizing school of through the governance school of through the modeling school of through the decision school of today. Project management and the game theory and non-cooperative games and cooperative games are the in the given below, and it is the Nash equilibrium. It is maintaining the key role of this game theory. We can see the many more example on it. The game theory. This the game theory of the art thinking danger, the personal and directed. Whereas take then silent. Silent the each server 2 years. A is free, B is equal to 3 years. A is equal to 3 years and B is equal to free. Each server has 7 years. And it is the main in the game theory. Zero sum games. And another one is common interested games. This both are is maintaining the key role of this the part and the transaction and the non-zero of sum such as a particular and the giving more. The pseudocode of the timing theory of the equilibrium states, reducing the play of the matrix on the kinetic equation of the given equilibrium for the state. It has many more example of the T on the given below. Examples are affected by beta. The equivalency problem. It has been doing with the matrix of a player, the reducing the play of the matrix of a player 1. It is the equal eigenvalues of the corresponding eigenvectors. Thank you.